What is shaking, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, got a very special guest with me today, the crappie queen herself, Miss Sawyer, and we are about to go hammer some slabs and some walleyes. That's the goal anyway. Be nice to get on some crappies, but hopefully we just get, hopefully we get into some fish. It looks like a little storm is coming in, the winter storm coming in, gonna drop some snow on us. Hopefully that gets all the fish all jazzed up. So stick around and we'll see you on the lake. Okay, how are we gonna sit?
Are we putting up tip-ups?
Yeah,
So we want windows.
we're just gonna Swiss cheese the lake. Well, like a dingus, I forgot an ice scoop. The cool part about that is the good Lord gave me phalanges.
Some cold water.
Oh no, my hands are, these suckers are sweating, baby. Feels great. Oh,
Great singing voice.
oh.
I asked Kelly if she'd ever ice fished, and she said only Jesus walks on water.
Yeah, that's true until the lakes get cold. That's why the Bible says that Jesus didn't walk on ice, he walked on real water. All right, I think we are set up there. Come on in.
Turn up.
No, just a screen. You want your pink on?
Yeah.
Last year, on Sawyer's first ice camping overnight trip, she caught a 15 3/4 inch crappie on that puppy right there. Pretty thick ice.
Yeah, pretty thick ice.
It is pretty thick ice, and call sorry. Little ice check for you guys. The ice is about just as thick as it is. No, it looks, I don't got nothing to measure with today, but it looks, it's gotta be 6-7 inches.
7.
6-7.
That's a big fish.
Oh, you got fish down there, huh? There you go. There you go, Sawyer. Hey, oh, pause for a second. Okay, keep reeling, reel. Oh no!
Oh, I got stuck there. No, we came around.
Dang. Oh, what's that crappy drag set at? There, that's better. Well, first missed bite. That's all right. Hey, they're down there though. That's a good sign. They're down there, Ferd.
You felt like a good one too.
I agree.
But sometimes stupid fish don't want to get caught. Go away, you stupid minnow.
Is everything stupid?
Yeah. Stupid minnow, stupid fish.
Sawyer's out there do a little hole hopping. Been pretty slow so far, but only been out here for about an hour. There we go. There we go. See what we got here. Seems kind of, oh no! Oh no, he's still there. Feels very pikey. Yeah. I think it's a pike. not a bad one though. Oh yeah, that's a decent pike, dude. Come on, man. Hey, check that out. It's a nice little pike. Maybe not little, but look at that, huh? Well, not the target, so
Not keeping him?
no. We'll send him. Oops. We're gonna send him right back. Right in the corner of the old lipper, though. Ah, there we go. Again, not what I was hoping for, but hey, it's something. We'll get that slimy little alligator right on back to where he came from. Alright. Dude, huge shout out to you guys. I mean, like I said, I'm so new to this, learning how to talk to the camera and edit the footage and all that kind of stuff. Like, I feel like my knuckles drag on the floor when it comes to learning these new things. It's a caveman reference. But, dude, I've got 66 subscribers, over 12,000 views already on, like, total views on the channel. Like, I know that that's nothing to a lot of people, but for me, like, that's wild. That's crazy. And I just want to say thanks to you guys for watching my videos. I hope you're enjoying the content. Feel free to drop it down here. Let's do this.
Maybe we'll give a shout out to someone.
Feel free to drop down in the comments below, like, what you think I need to work on. If it's dialogue, whatever, just drop a little comment down there. Tell me what you think I can do better. Maybe it's better shots at the fishing. It's maybe I don't talk enough. Probably not. Probably talk too much. The best piece of advice I got already came from the old crappie queen right here, which is stop saying dude so much.
Oh, bad. Comment down below if any of you guys out there fish. If you haven't caught a big fish like me.
You guys an idea, look at these fish. They are everywhere. I mean, just, whoa, marking like crazy on here. I don't know if that's showing up, but, and they are not, biting. They are tight-lipped. Well, guys, the weather's not getting any better. Roads aren't getting any better. We're not really catching much of anything. What do you think, sir? How many fish did we mark? 100?
Yeah.
100 fish. They're pretty tight-lipped. Sometimes a storm can be good. I think today we're seeing where it's bad. So, hey, we didn't get skunked. We got the one pike. We missed a couple. Hey, it's the way she goes. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for coming along with us. Let's hope next time we do a little better, huh?
Yes.
But thanks again, guys. Until next time, we'll see ya.